I've prepared our own converter. Let's have a look at it. It implements a value converter. In this case, we don't need the convert back implementation, so it just returns an unset value. In this case, I use only hidden and visible states. At first, I explicitly cast the value object to a Boolean value. After that, I check the parameter, and if it is not a string inverse, then I return visible in case of Boolean value equals true, and hidden in case of false. If a parameter string equals inverse literal, then I return the same values, but vice versa. Let's look how we can use it in XAML. Here's an image's visibility dependency property is bound to the checkbox's isChecked dependency property. In the window resources section, we allocated our converter. And now we can reference it in the binding expression via static resource extension. If we want to pass the inverse parameter, we add the converter parameter property and set it. In this case, we can set it to the string inverse. Let's run the application. In this case, as you see, if isChecked equals to true, then the image is hidden. If false, it's visible. Let's run it without the converter parameter. In this case, it works straightforward. If isChecked is true, then the image is visible. If false, it's hidden. Okay, fine. Converters concept is really a great thing from the code and structuring perspective. Be aware of the fact that many converters on a single page can hurt the performance, especially on mobile devices. Great, let's have a look at asynchronous bindings.